Hello, welcome to VIAS3D, your trusted global partner in digital engineering since 2016. We specialize in design, virtual manufacturing, and advanced engineering analysis. As a platinum partner of Dassault Systems, we offer expert software solutions, comprehensive training, dedicated support, and specialized consulting services to a variety of industries. Our courses cover a spectrum of topics, from engineering fundamentals like verification and validation concepts, fundamentals of numerical analysis, and solid and fluid mechanics, to software coding in Python, Fortran, C, and more. Our training programs are fully customizable to meet your specific needs, providing you with practical technical skills. You can choose between online or classroom settings for your convenience. Our micro-learning modules allow for a flexible learning journey that fits into your busy schedule. With our mentorship program, lead experts and certified instructors guide you through project execution, ensuring you gain hands-on experience. We call this our hand-holding approach. We employ various teaching methods to ensure a comprehensive and effective learning experience. Continuous feedback from our trainees helps us to improve and create better learning environments.
I really enjoyed the practical exercises and real-life examples provided throughout the course. These made learning not only easier, but also allowed me to put what I learned into practice. The course itself was very well organized and structured. It kept me engaged without feeling overwhelmed.
Ready to unlock your technical prowess? Visit our training and mentoring brochure page for more information, or use our feedback form for any inquiries. Join us at VIAS3D, where we transform your skills into success.